We all know that search ads are one of the most effective ways of PPC advertising because they tend to get you the right users at the right time. But do you know the best practices that get higher CTR? In this video, we'll share the best practices and tips for marketers. The first input we would like to share is about including the keywords in your ad copies. So for example, you're trying to target an ad showcasing best digital marketing agency, then that key phrase should be part of the ad copy being written. As one of the best practices for ad copywriting, try to include the targeted key phrase in the URL, headline as well as the description of the ad. The idea is that the more they see what they want, most likely they'll click on the ad. Second important tip for ad copywriting is to be clear and concise. More concise the ad copy is, it will hold users' attention. Again, be concise. Nobody wants to read the ad which goes on and on. Third tip would be that you need to act as a marketer and not an advertiser. If you try to sell to everybody, most probably you'll not be able to sell to anybody. So be precise and to the point in your ads. For better results, also try to include a call to action in your ad copies. Something like buy now, get this, do this. Another important factor of ad copywriting is highlighting your USP. You have to be very precise what you are offering to the users as such and why should they click on your ad. Lastly, try to ask questions through your ads. Sell your car fast is a decent headline. Need to sell your car fast? Will probably work better. You need to test to verify this, but definitely test everything you do. A couple of other bonus tips which have nothing to do with copywriting but would be more effective if you can include would be to use RLSAs, target long tail keywords, always add negative keywords to avoid, and do extensive audience testing for your ads. Hope these tips around ad copywriting make you a better marketer. Still, in case you need any help, feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe to our channel.